Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very popular survey platform called Branded Surveys.
Survey says?
If you're looking to earn some extra cash by taking online surveys, you've definitely come to the right place.
Let's go!
In this video, we're going to provide an in-depth review of Branded Surveys, covering its features, pros and cons, alternatives, and who it's best suited for. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics and talk about what is Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys is an online survey platform that connects individuals like you with market research companies looking for consumer opinions. By participating in surveys, you can earn rewards, including cash and gift cards.
Tell me more.
Now that you know what Branded Surveys is, let's explore exactly how it works. The process is simple. You sign up, you complete surveys, and then you're just going to earn rewards. But let's take a closer look at the features that make Branded Surveys stand out from the rest. Branded Surveys offers a range of features to enhance your earning potential and survey taking experience. Here are some notable features you'll find on this platform. First, there are those paid surveys. Branded Surveys provides a wide variety of paid surveys on various topics. By sharing your opinions and feedback, you can earn rewards. Then there's daily polls. In addition to paid surveys, Branded Surveys offers daily polls. These short polls are a quick and easy way to earn some additional points. Then there's partner surveys. Branded Surveys partners with other survey providers to offer a broader selection of surveys. This collaboration allows you to access more survey opportunities. Then there's the Branded Elite Program. The Branded Elite Program is a loyalty program that rewards active members additional benefits and higher earning potential as they progress through different membership levels. Then there's Survey Streak. With the Survey Streak feature, you can earn extra points for completing consecutive days of surveys. The longer your streak, the more points you can accumulate. Next is the Poll Streak. Similar to the Survey Streak, the Poll Streak feature rewards you for participating in daily polls consecutively. Next, there's the referral program. By referring friends and family to Branded Surveys, you can earn bonus points or a percentage of their survey earnings, increasing your overall rewards. Next are local deals. Branded Surveys offers local deals that allow you to save money at participating stores and restaurants. This feature provides additional value beyond survey rewards. The next feature is Random Winner. Branded Surveys occasionally selects random winners from their user base, offering the chance to win pretty exciting prizes and rewards. Then there's the mobile app. For convenient survey taking on the go, Branded Surveys offers a mobile app compatible with iOS and Android devices. So definitely a lot of features. But how much money can you make with Branded Surveys?
The question everyone wants to know.
Let's address this question everyone asks, and I've already said it, but how much money can you actually make with Branded Surveys? The earnings potential definitely varies based on factors such as your demographics, survey availability, and your level of activity on their platform. While you won't become a millionaire overnight, I can promise you that, Branded Surveys can provide a reliable source of additional income. Let's discuss some of the pros of using Branded Surveys to earn money through online surveys. Their surveys continually pay more than other sites. There are multiple ways to redeem points. Users have a massive selection of gift cards available for payment. Earnings increase with time and activity, and the website is definitely user-friendly. While Branded Surveys offers several benefits, it's important to consider the potential downsides as well. So here are some cons to keep in mind. Survey availability may vary depending on your demographics. Certain demographics may receive more survey opportunities than others, which could affect your earning potential. Like other survey platforms, you may occasionally experience screenouts where you're disqualified from a survey after answering a few preliminary questions. This can be quite frustrating and definitely time consuming. Then there's payout processing time. It's worth noting that Branded Surveys has a payout processing time that can take a few business days. If If you're looking for immediate cash, like I mean quick, this might not be the ideal platform for you.
For me, man.
If branded surveys doesn't quite meet your needs, there are alternative survey platforms for you to explore. Here are 2 popular alternatives worth taking a look at. First is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is another reputable survey platform that offers a straightforward way to earn money by taking online surveys. It has a user-friendly interface and a wide range of survey opportunities. And there's Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another platform that rewards users for completing surveys, watching videos, and participating in other online activities. It's a well-established platform with various earning options. Back to branded surveys, let's determine who can benefit the most from using branded surveys.
Benefits.
Benefits. Good.
Branded surveys is best for individuals who have spare time and are interested in sharing their opinions in exchange for rewards. It can be a great option for those looking for flexible earning opportunities from the comfort of really your own home. If you're ready to get started with branded surveys, let's do a step-by-step process of how to sign up. First, you're going to want to visit the branded surveys website. You're going to then click on the sign up or join now button. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and your demographic details. You're then going to want to confirm your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. Complete your profile surveys to provide more information about yourself and increase your chances of receiving relevant surveys. Then you're going to start taking surveys and earning those rewards.
Seems pretty simple to me.
All right, the bottom line now, who is branded surveys best for? And so in summary, branded surveys is an ideal platform really for individuals who want to make extra money by sharing their opinions through online surveys. With its range of features, loyalty program, and various earning opportunities, branded surveys provides a reliable and convenient way to earn rewards. But ultimately, whether branded surveys is the right platform for you depends on your preferences, your availability, and really your goals.
I like it.
It's important to manage your expectations and approach it as a supplemental income source rather than your primary source of revenue. That wraps up our review of branded surveys. We hope you found this information helpful in making an informed decision about surveys. If you've used branded surveys or have any other survey platform recommendations, definitely let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.